Paper is one of humanity's oldest inventions, and over more than 2,000 years, it has secured a lasting place in every area of life. From the earliest scrolls in China to its current uses as a diagnostic tool in healthcare or as an eco-friendly alternative to plastics, paper has undergone tremendous evolution, adapting to modern needs. Its versatility and adaptability make it an indispensable part of scientific research, technological innovations, artistic creation, and ecological efforts toward a more sustainable world. In today's dynamic era, as digitalization gradually replaces traditional paper documents, the form and function of paper are also changing. Researchers have discovered ways to use paper as a low-cost and effective material for disease diagnostics. For instance, with paper-based sensors capable of detecting diseases in their early stages, which is especially valuable in developing regions with limited healthcare resources. Additionally, paper microfluidics technology enables scientists to conduct complex chemical analyses with minimal amounts of liquid. These innovations show that even in a technologically advanced age, paper remains a foundational material for discovering new possibilities in healthcare and biotechnology. With growing environmental concerns, paper has also become a promising candidate to replace plastic packaging. Its biodegradable properties and ease of recyclability make it more eco-friendly than plastic, and its production helps reduce the ecological footprint. Developers are working on new types of paper packaging that protect contents from moisture and extend shelf life, positioning paper at the forefront of sustainable packaging solutions. Although paper recycling faces certain challenges, ongoing research aims to create more efficient processes to increase the durability of recycled fibers, giving paper a longer life cycle. Paper still holds an excellent position in the art world as well. Today, techniques are being developed to transform this originally flat material into complex three-dimensional objects. Origami, for example, not only represents artistic value, but also inspires modern design and architecture. Through this technique, structures can be folded to save space and offer unique aesthetic and practical applications. Laser engraving and precise paper cutting are opening up new artistic avenues, merging traditional material with modern tools. Artists and designers use paper to create original works in both fashion and interior design, demonstrating that paper can take on infinite forms. In technology too, paper has found its place, not only as a medium for information, but also as a bridge between the traditional and digital worlds. Smart paper links paper with modern devices, offering new possibilities for interaction. For example, it may contain embedded chips that, when brought near a phone or tablet, allow users to transfer data to the digital device. Another example of technological progress is electronic paper, which displays information on a surface similar to traditional paper, but with the benefits of a digital screen. This technology is primarily used in e-book readers, which combine the advantages of traditional reading with the convenience of the digital environment. The future of paper is heading toward innovations and sustainable solutions that will contribute to environmental protection and expand its applications. In addition to traditional sources like wood, alternative materials such as hemp, bamboo, and agricultural waste are now being explored to push the paper industry toward an even more eco-friendly approach. Furthermore, digital and virtual environments open up new avenues for paper in virtual reality, where its structure and visualization capabilities can adapt even further to the demands of the modern world. Thus, paper has evolved from a medium for recording information into an essential tool that connects science, ecology, technology, and art. This transformation confirms that even a traditional material can find new and surprising applications in the modern age. Paper, as we know it today, has a long history stretching back thousands of years, with its form and production gradually evolving to reach its current structure and function. Here is a more detailed overview of the development of paper from its origins to the present day. Origins: ancient China, circa 105 AD. The first paper, as we know it, was created in China around 105 AD, with the Chinese official Kai Lun regarded as its inventor. Although there is evidence that paper was made earlier, Kai Lun contributed to its refinement and systematic production. Early paper was made from a mixture of crushed tree bark, hemp, old fishing nets, and rags. This mixture was pulped into a fine slurry, poured onto a fine screen, and once dried, formed a thin, flexible layer resembling modern paper. Spread to Asia and the Arab world, 7th to 8th century. The technology of papermaking spread from China to Japan and Korea, and then, via the Silk Road, to the Arab world. Arab traders and warriors encountered paper during conflicts with the Chinese in the 8th century at the Battle of Samarkand, where they captured Chinese prisoners who knew the secrets of papermaking. The Arabs further improved papermaking, for instance by adding starch, and paper became a key medium for writing in the Islamic world. Paper in Europe, 12th century. Paper arrived in Europe through Arab Spain. The first European paper mill was established in the Spanish town of Zativa around 1150. For centuries, however, Europe primarily used parchment made from sheep and goat skins. Papermaking gradually increased and improved technologically, with new materials such as linen fibers being added in Europe. The invention of the printing press, 15th century. With the arrival of the printing press, invented by Johannes Gutenberg around 1440, there was a tremendous surge in demand for paper in Europe. Linen fibers continued to be the primary material for papermaking, but the need to further streamline production led to the introduction of other methods, such as water-powered mills, which accelerated fiber processing. The Industrial Revolution and the invention of the paper machine, 19th century. A significant leap occurred in the 19th century with the advent of the Industrial Revolution. In 1798, Frenchman Nicolas Louis Robert invented the first paper machine, allowing for the production of continuous paper rolls. This machine was further improved in 1807 by the Fourdrinier brothers in England. This development enabled paper production on a mass scale. Use of wood pulp, 19th to 20th century. In the 19th century, wood began to be used for papermaking, proving more economical than traditional rag-based paper. This shift marked a major change in paper production, as wood pulp is a cheaper and more readily available raw material. However, this technology led to lower quality paper, which degrades over time due to the acids it contains, causing it to become brittle and yellowed. The modern paper industry and environmental impacts, 20th to 21st century. The global paper industry expanded during the 20th century and today produces billions of tons of paper annually. Concurrently, there was an increased demand for higher quality and more durable paper types, leading to the development of acid-free processes and recycled materials. Modern papermaking employs chemical and mechanical processes to refine wood and recycled fibers. The paper industry has faced challenges related to sustainability and environmental impact, prompting greater emphasis on recycling, reducing water and energy consumption, and minimizing chemical waste. New technologies have emerged, such as bamboo-based paper or paper from entirely alternative materials, enabling more sustainable production. Present and future today, interest in digital media is growing, reducing demand for traditional paper, particularly in developed countries. However, paper remains widely used in the packaging industry, hygiene products, office supplies, and art materials. The future of papermaking is focused on eco-friendly alternatives, recycling, improving paper quality, and minimizing environmental impact. Paper plays a crucial role in modern society, whether in communication, education, the packaging industry, or hygiene. Its production and consumption are influenced by technological advancements, digitalization, and ecological initiatives. Global statistics. World paper consumption. The average annual paper consumption per person worldwide is approximately 70 kilograms. European paper consumption. In Europe, the average annual paper consumption per capita is higher, around 150 kilograms. Trends and influences. Digitalization. A 13.4% decrease in graphic paper consumption in 2022 is attributed to increasing digitalization and the shift of companies toward electronic communication and cloud services. Ecological initiatives. There is a growing emphasis on recycling and sustainable practices in the paper industry, leading to higher rates of paper collection and reuse. These statistics illustrate the dynamics of the paper industry in the context of technological changes and environmental efforts that impact both paper production and consumption. The modern era of paper demonstrates that its use goes beyond merely serving as a medium for writing or drawing. Today, paper is a versatile tool with a significant impact on science, technology, and art. The following overview presents how paper is used as a scientific and creative tool and how its role is evolving in modern society. Paper as a tool in science. In science, paper serves not only as a medium for carrying information, but also as a material used directly in research and development. Examples include the development of paper-based sensors, paper microfluidics, and even specialized materials that mimic traditional paper properties but have unique functionalities. Paper sensors and diagnostics. Paper sensors have become a significant research topic, particularly in biomedicine. They offer a cheap and easily portable solution for diagnosing various diseases, including tropical and infectious diseases. In simple terms, such paper is typically treated with chemicals that react to specific substances in a drop of blood, saliva, or urine. This creates simple, portable, and quick diagnostic tests, especially useful in areas with limited access to healthcare. Paper microfluidics. Paper microfluidics is a technology that allows the movement of very small quantities of fluid within the paper. This method is used for highly precise chemical and biological analyses. Thanks to microfluidics, paper can serve as a miniature laboratory where various tests and experiments can be conducted. This approach is inexpensive and accessible, enabling scientists to develop diagnostic tests and conduct research in resource-limited areas where laboratory access may be scarce. Paper electronics. Paper electronics is a relatively new field that focuses on using paper as a substrate for electronic circuits. Thin and flexible materials that conduct electricity can be layered onto paper to create low-cost and easily biodegradable electronic devices, such as displays, sensors, and even batteries. These technologies are being tested for use in medicine, logistics, and security. Paper as an eco-friendly alternative. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, paper is emerging as an ecological alternative to plastics and other less environmentally friendly materials. For example, paper packaging is replacing plastic in food and other product packaging. Paper's advantages include easy recyclability and biodegradability, meaning it decomposes quickly without leaving harmful residues in nature. Sustainable packaging. The paper industry is currently investing in the development of paper-based packaging materials capable of replacing plastics. For instance, waterproof paper that can keep food fresh, or paper with a barrier layer that protects products from moisture and degradation. Other uses include single-use packaging and packing materials traditionally made from plastic or foam. Challenges in paper recycling. Despite paper's sustainability, the paper industry faces challenges in recycling. Each recycling cycle weakens paper as fibers shorten and lose strength. New fibers are often added to recycled products to maintain adequate durability. Researchers, however, are working on methods to increase the resilience of recycled paper to allow for more recycling cycles. Paper in art and design. Paper has always played an important role in art, but today's technologies enable new ways of using it in design and creation. Paper has evolved from a flat material to a three-dimensional medium that transitions from a planar to an object-based space. Origami and paper sculpture. Origami, the traditional Japanese art of paper folding, influences modern design and architecture. While origami was once primarily decorative, it is now used in science and engineering as well. Paper sculpture and origami techniques are used to design foldable structures that can be easily unfolded or folded. This principle is applied, for example, in packaging design to save space. Paper cutting and laser engraving. Modern technologies, such as laser engraving, allow for precise and intricate patterns to be created on paper. Artists and designers use this technology to create unique artworks, decorations, and even furniture. Paper cutting and engraving are applied in fashion, interior design, and even in the film industry for making props and sets. Paper animation and artistic books. Paper is also widely used in animation, where it is used to create puppets, backgrounds, and props. Artists use paper to create three-dimensional dioramas, which can then be transferred to a digital format and serve as a basis for animations. Pop-up books, which creatively bring paper to life in a three-dimensional form, are also popular. Paper and technology and the digital world. Despite increasing digitalization, paper continues to serve as an essential tool for communication and documentation. Digital innovations, however, are enabling new applications for paper and its integration with modern technologies. Smart paper and interactive paper. Modern technology enables the connection of paper with digital devices. Interactive paper can contain embedded chips that allow information to be transferred to digital devices, such as smartphones or tablets. This technology, still in development, may find applications in advertising, education, and healthcare. Thanks to this technology, every paper product can be connected to the digital world, offering interactive experiences. Paper displays and screens. Developments in electronic paper and e-paper have led to devices like e-book readers that use e-ink technology. Electronic paper has the advantage of being easier on the eyes compared to traditional screens, as it doesn't use backlighting. This technology is not only used in e-readers, but also in portable displays and advertising panels. The future of paper, sustainability and innovation. The future of paper likely lies in its ecological applications and innovative uses that blend its traditional role with modern technologies. Recycling and biodegradable materials. The next step is the development of biodegradable and recyclable types of paper. Universities and companies are researching materials to make paper products as eco-friendly as possible. The advancement of recycling processes will enable paper to be reused repeatedly without loss of quality, helping to reduce resource consumption. Paper from alternative materials. Recently, experiments have been conducted to produce paper from non-traditional materials, such as hemp, bamboo, and plant fibers from the food industry. This paper has a lower environmental footprint and fewer environmental impacts, as it doesn't require wood harvesting for production. Paper in virtual reality and AI. Virtual reality and artificial intelligence are opening new possibilities for paper in the digital world. Virtual paper, which can be folded, shaped, or designed in a digital environment, can be used in design and education. The modern era of paper brings endless possibilities for using it as a scientific and creative tool. Although the world is gradually digitalizing, paper still plays an important role in our daily lives and holds its place in innovative technologies and sustainable solutions.